Imagine a volcanic island, rising dramatically from the vast ocean. Sheer cliffs sculpted by wind and waves guarded hidden beaches. This was a sanctuary for seabirds for millennia. Generations of albatrosses danced in the skies, their vast wingspans tracing graceful arcs against the clouds. Puffins, their comical beaks overflowing with fish, tended to their young in burrows dug deep into the earth. The air vibrated with the calls of terns and the cries of shearwaters, a symphony of life echoing through the ages. But this paradise, like so many others, faced a silent, deadly threat. Rats, unwelcome stowaways on ships from distant lands, found their way to the island. With no natural predators, their numbers exploded. The invaders, cunning and insatiable, brought devastation to this fragile ecosystem. They gorged on the eggs of unsuspecting birds, leaving behind a trail of heartbreak. Nests, once overflowing with the promise of new life, lay empty and silent. The seabirds, their ancient rhythms disrupted, faced a grim future. Each year, fewer chicks survived. The very existence of this avian paradise was in jeopardy. A team of dedicated conservationists refused to let this tragedy unfold. They were determined to protect the island's unique ecosystem and its endangered species from the brink of extinction, posing unique challenges. The island's isolation and difficult access made it a formidable task for any conservation effort. Its rugged terrain, crisscrossed by ravines and cliffs, made traditional rat eradication methods impossible. The steep cliffs and deep ravines created natural barriers that were hard to overcome. They needed a new solution, a beacon of hope in the fight against extinction. The team brainstormed, tirelessly exploring innovative ideas and modern technologies. Their answer came from the skies. The use of drones emerged as a groundbreaking solution. Drones, those marvels of modern engineering, offered a lifeline. These advanced machines could reach places that humans couldn't, making them perfect for the task. These unmanned aerial vehicles, equipped with precision GPS and advanced dispensing systems, could navigate the island's treacherous landscape with ease. They were designed to handle the most challenging environments, their mission to deliver a specially formulated bait targeting the invasive rats while posing no threat to the island's native inhabitants. This innovative approach gave the conservationists a fighting chance to save the island's precious wildlife. Section 4. A symphony of returning wings. The drones, like mechanical guardians, took to the skies. Their mission was clear and vital: to restore balance to the island's delicate ecosystem. They soared over towering cliffs, navigated through narrow canyons, and braved the elements with unwavering precision. Reaching even the most inaccessible corners of the island, they mapped out every inch of the terrain. Slowly, methodically, they dispersed their precious cargo. Each drop was a calculated step towards a brighter future. The results were nothing short of miraculous. The rats vanished, their presence erased from the landscape. Their reign of terror brought to an end, the island began to heal. Silence, once a harbinger of despair, was replaced by the joyous cacophony of returning life. The air filled with the sounds of seabirds calling to one another. Seabird populations, once teetering on the brink, rebounded with astonishing speed. Their numbers swelled, painting the skies with their graceful forms. The island once again resounded with the songs of its rightful inhabitants. It was a symphony of nature's resilience and renewal. Section 5. Innovation, the seed of hope. The story of Island Name is a testament to the power of human ingenuity. This island, once on the brink of ecological collapse, has been transformed into a beacon of hope and resilience. Through the dedicated efforts of scientists, conservationists, and local communities, we have witnessed a remarkable recovery. It demonstrates how technology, when used for good, can help us heal the wounds we have inflicted on the natural world. Advanced drones and monitoring systems have allowed us to track and protect endangered species with unprecedented precision. As we face unprecedented environmental challenges, we must embrace innovation with open arms. The collaboration between engineers, biologists, and local communities has led to groundbreaking solutions that were once thought impossible. Let us imagine, invent, and implement new solutions, harnessing the power of technology to protect our planet. From renewable energy sources to advanced conservation techniques, the possibilities are endless. The future of conservation is not a lament for what we've lost, but a celebration of what we can still save. Each success story, like the thriving seabird colonies, serves as a reminder of what we can achieve when we work together. Let us be the generation that turns the tide, using our ingenuity to ensure a future where both humanity and nature thrive. Together we can create a world where our natural heritage is preserved for generations to come. Pause. 6S.